14-year-old girl, we're given to understand, has been killed. She was also from a scheduled caste. She's been killed in Bhadohi in Uttar Pradesh. My colleague Alok Pandey joins us on the broadcast. Alok, what more can you tell us?
At the moment, the details are sketchy, Rishika. But yes, this is a 14-year-old girl, and she's been brutally murdered. Her head has been smashed with a lot of bricks and stones. I mean, there are very disturbing visuals that we cannot put on air, but it's very difficult to be reporting on these stories one after the other. And at the moment, the police are saying they are investigating. So she had gone to the fields to relieve herself, is what the police are saying. And then when she didn't return, again, the family members launched a search. So she was found in a field near her village. And again, I really don't know what to say. I mean, it's disturbing. And the police are saying that they've sent the body for a post-mortem. And the SP is on record, Mr. Rambhadan Singh. He's on record to say that he feels that this could be a case of rape. However, it is not final, but he says that he, in his inference, cannot think of another reason about why the girl has been murdered so brutally, but he is in no position to confirm whether this is a case of rape or not, because that will need a post-mortem and a medical examination. That is starting about now or will happen later tonight, so we will await a confirmation on that. But again, a ghastly crime, this time from the eastern part of Uttar Pradesh. Bhadohi is a district around 40 to 50 kilometers from Varanasi. We all know and recognize Varanasi. So that is where the incident has happened. Further details are awaited.
Right, Alok, do stay on with us because, you've mentioned the SP's reaction, and he has, in fact, at the moment said that it's not confirmed whether the death of the 14-year-old, and once again, her head crushed with bricks, it's an extremely barbaric crime. Rape hasn't been established or confirmed forensically. That is something that is still being investigated, but he has spoken out, and I believe we have that soundbite. Let's just listen into what he said.
पूरा मामला है, कैसे नाबालिग की मौत हुई?
देखिए, 14:56 पर लगभग 3 बजे कंट्रोल रूम को सूचना गई थी कि एक लड़की शौच के लिए गई थी बाजरे के खेत में और उसकी जो है हत्या कर दी गई है। तो उनके जो चाचा हैं अरविंद, उनसे पूछताछ हुई। उन्होंने बताया कि सर वो यहाँ पर आई थी। जब करीब वो आधा घंटे पौन घंटे नहीं लौटी तो इन्होंने खोज खबर ली उसकी। जब उन्होंने खोजा तो देखा कि वो उसको किसी ने सर कूच दिया था उसका ईंटों से और डेड बॉडी मिली थी। इसके बाद वो उसे डॉक्टर एएन सिंह है मिर्जापुर तिराहे पर वहाँ ले गए थे। उन्होंने बता दिया था कि बच्ची की मृत्यु हो गई है। तो उसके बाद वो डेड बॉडी यहाँ ले आए हैं। अब हम
बच्ची की उम्र कितना है, क्या लगता है सर हत्या करने का कारण क्या हो सकता है इसमें?
देखिए, बच्ची की उम्र 14 साल करीब है जो बताई गई है मुझे, और इसमें रेप हो सकता है क्योंकि और बच्ची को मारने का कोई रीज़न नहीं हो सकता है, कोई उसकी दुश्मनी नहीं हो सकती है। लेकिन इसकी जो अंतिम पुष्टि है वो पोस्टमार्टम कराने के बाद ही हो पाएगी।
परिजन भी इस बात को कह रहे हैं कि रेप की आशंका परिजन भी जता रहे हैं इसमें।
नहीं, मैं भी कह रहा हूँ, इसमें कोई वो नहीं है, लेकिन फाइनल नहीं है। ये संभावना हो सकती है क्योंकि और बच्ची को मारने का कोई रीज़न भी नहीं मेरे समझ में आ रहा है। तो अब ये जब मेडिकल से रिपोर्ट आ जाएगी तो पता चल ही जाएगा।